What's up? So you've been taking some L's on the sneakers app, or you've probably never even hit once. I'm gonna show you some tricks I've been using to get some wins, like the GOAT here, MJ. But real quick, let me show you a massive loss. Check out this terrible but funny video of his mom dunking a basketball from the 80s.
I started to beat him convincingly.
Equally deserving of the credit is someone who showed him how to put it through the hoop.
Keep your eye on the rim and concentrate.
Like this. Like that?
No, like this. Like this. Like this. Like this, Michael. And now give it some razzle-dazzle.
That's my mom.
What's up? It's your boy Chris Colgan. I'm gonna show you how to actually get some wins on the sneakers app, because I know how frustrating this freaking thing can be. And I think I found a way around it. So the very first thing that I've been doing lately, and I think Nike is really paying attention to, is how active you are on the app. So don't just hop on there on Saturday when they got the drop, or Friday, and try to buy. Be active on the app. Like their posts, watch those story of the dunk videos. Lately, I've been watching the Marcus Jordan live videos. And all of a sudden, since I've been doing that and being a lot more active, I've actually been getting some wins. I just hit on the Kobe Bruce Lees, just hit on these. I've also been taking some L's, but yeah, definitely be active as you can on the app. My guess is Nike is going for a social media type experience on that app, so be active as you can. Number 2, do any surveys you get from Nike via email or get a notification on the app. Make sure you participate in all those surveys. That's something else they look at to see who's active and who's actually paying attention and not a botter. Sometimes I'll go on the website and purchase stuff from there and they'll shoot me a survey. I do that. They have all that linked together. So definitely be doing any of the surveys and likes that they have on the app. Number 3, definitely change the settings to PayPal or Apple Pay for your payment. There's a ton of botters out there. There's actually companies where you can sign up and get 50 different credit card numbers. And that's what how these botters are taking massive hits on foot sites and sneakers and stuff like that. So by doing that, by changing it to PayPal, that immediately shows the app that you're a legit buyer and you're not a botter. So definitely do that right away. You should start taking some more wins. Number 4, if you're in this game for reselling, which most people are, I actually wear all the stuff I get, don't always buy your size. Like I'm a size 10, which has got to be one of the most popular sizes out there. Try to buy some of the smaller sizes, like a 7 or an 8 men's, which not many people are going to be selecting, but those are also going to have a huge resale value, so you're going to have a better chance at hitting. I wouldn't go above like a size 12 or 13 because there's not that many people that wear that size. But especially like women, they're gonna like look for the smaller shoe sizes, like 7 or 8 in men's, and you're gonna have a better chance at hitting on one of those. So if you're looking to throw it on StockX or eBay, one of these other sites, definitely go for the smaller sizes and you'll have a better chance at getting a win. Number 5, buy some different things besides the big hitters like the Travis Scotts or the Off-Whites. Recently, I've been buying some cheaper stuff, not that much. I've bought like 2 or 3 things, like a $100 pair of shoes here or there to walk around in or go to the gym. My theory is, I could be wrong, it just shows Nike that you aren't just looking for the big hits and you are a real buyer. Ever since I started doing that, I started getting a lot more hits and not looking like a loser as much. All right, last but not least, hit notify me for every single shoe they have coming out. That shows them again that you're active on the site. You're not looking for just the big wins like the Travis Scotts or the Off-Whites, the Dunk, stuff like that. Again, that's something else I've been doing. I've also asked around, like I did some investigating. I'm good on the phone. I got a hold of a Nike executive. They actually told me they don't even get these early releases. They said there's like nothing they know. So I think if anyone's telling you, hey, I'm hitting every time, they're full of crap. Like they either got to be the best botter in the world, which I don't suggest. Like you basically got to be a computer programmer to know how to work one of those things. So try this out. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below if any of this has been working for you. If it has, like, don't be sharing it too much because I want to keep hitting. And like this video and please subscribe for more. And hopefully y'all won't keep taking these losses.